Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how to make your taskbar transparent. So first of all, open Microsoft Store. Over here search translucent TB. Now click here and install this app. So now this app is installed. Now when we open this app, it shows this pop-up and our taskbar becomes transparent. Now we will continue and close this. Now if we go here and click on translucent taskbar, it will give you multiple options like desktop. So if you want opaque one, acrylic one, so according to your selection it changes. You can have the opaque one. Now it has battery saver options and also advanced options, and this takes only a few MB of RAM and like almost no CPU. So I like the clear one, so I'm setting it as my default taskbar. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe for more such videos.